So, what is the Islamic definition of morals?
What is the Islamic definition of morals?
You see, morality is something which is deeply related to belief in the Holy Quran or belief in God. Without morality or without God, there cannot be any morality. Now, this is a very profound philosophical issue which were understood by the Russians, communists, much better than ordinary Muslims understand. So there was a debate between Lenin and one of the persons who believed in morality, who claimed that there cannot be no, and this system of communism cannot survive without morality. And Lenin said, asked him to shut up. He said, if you speak of morality, minds will ultimately be led to God. Because without God, there can't be any morality. Why should people be moral if there is no God? If they are not answerable for their questions, then the death is their savior. And every crime they commit here is forgotten the moment they die, unsuspected of their crimes. So Lenin understood this much better, that morality and God are deeply related. You cannot separate one from the other. So because of the time shortage, I think there is enough time just for you to translate. I leave it at this, but this is a very interesting question of morality, which was asked you by you. Very good. Thank you. Jazakumullah. This is enough, huh? This is a very important question which was raised, because the very first brick of communism was laid by Marx on the concept of immorality. He understood very well that if we speak of morality, then we will be led to God. So he said humans are immoral animals. As such, we must force them by making laws to keep them within the moral concept of ordinary sense. To force them to stick to the laws, you will have to make laws forcing them, coercing them to keep within the limits. So this is all a hocus pocus bakwas. It doesn't mean anything. I have mentioned this in detail in my book, Revelation. If anybody is interested in that, he can read that chapter.